A law firm issued 28 invoices over 2 years. The client paid every single one, over $356,000. Then the client came back and said, I want those legal fees assessed. And the Supreme Court said, yes, they could. We know this case well because we actually acted for the clients. This is the case of DLAW Pty Ltd and Croft Developments, decided in the Supreme Court in March this year. Croft Developments, our client, argued that the real reasonable cost of the work was far less than what had been billed. That left a substantial amount in dispute, even though every invoice had been paid in full. So the first takeaway for lawyers is that paying a bill doesn't stop the clock. Clients can still apply for a review of the costs they've already paid within the statutory period. Being paid isn't the finish line, it's not even close to it. Second, after we commenced the cost assessment process on Croft's behalf, the firm issued a brand new final bill for over an additional $139,000. That's on top of the $356,000 already billed and paid. This new bill was described in vague, generic terms like management, perusal, analysis, consideration, and advice. The court's message was blunt. Reactive lump sum billing, issued after a client asserts their rights, will be scrutinized heavily. Now, without getting into specific figures, DLAW has filed a review application. So this matter isn't finalized, and we won't comment on the amounts while that's on foot. But what we can say is this. The assessment outcome saw the fees reduced substantially, in line with what we were arguing for on Croft's behalf. And importantly, Croft's own costs, legal costs of running the assessment, so the fees they paid to us, were also found to be reimbursable by the law firm. This case is a good reminder that cost disclosure and billing practices need to be defensible from day one, not repaired after the fact. If you're a law firm wanting to get your billing right, or a client with concerns about the fees you've been charged, that's exactly what we do in Lawyer Check. Reach out, we're happy to have a look.